Welcome to Sonal's food channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make oats breakfast with dry fruits and nuts. I'll be showing you two methods. Method 1 is on gas or stove. So heat up a deep pan on a gas stove and heat up 1 cup of milk into it. Add 1 packet of oatmeal, which is 1 serving size, and that's about 100 grams of oats. This is oats with maple and brown sugar. That is why I'm not adding any sugar, but if it's a regular oats, add 1 teaspoon of sugar into it, 1 to 2 teaspoons as per your taste, and then cook it until most of the milk is reduced, which takes about 5 minutes on a medium flame. Once the oats starts boiling, you can add 1 tablespoon of dry fruits, chopped or powdered as per your wish. You can also add raisins if you desire. And then just stir and mix everything well. Serve it with some more chopped nuts, hot, and with some fruits like raspberries or anything of your choice. You can also add other fruits like apples or bananas to enhance taste further. Method 2. Making the oats in microwave. So take a microwave safe bowl or a container and put 1 cup of milk into it and add 1 packet of oatmeal. As I said, if you're using original flavor, add 1 tablespoon of sugar to it and mix the oats and the milk together. Then in the microwave, put this microwave safe container filled with the oats and milk mixture. Close it and set 1 minute time for cooking by pressing the 30-second button twice or as per your settings of the microwave. After 1 minute, let's check if the oats are done. So carefully remove the bowl from the microwave. Stir and see if it is done. As you see, it's still not done because once the oats are cooked well, they become a bit mushy and absorb all the moisture. So keep it again and cook it for 30 more seconds. Now, depending upon the microwave power, cooking time may vary between 1 minute to 2.5 minutes. So after the initial 1 minute of cooking time, cook it again for 30 seconds each. Then check and repeat until the oats are completely cooked as per your wish. Now you can see that the oats have been completely cooked. So add the dried cranberries, dry fruits or anything as per your wish to enhance its taste and serve it hot.